The equipment needed for this experiment is milk of magnesia, 3 molar hydrochloric acid, universal indicator, a 1 liter beaker, any other size beaker, 2 pipettes, 2 graduated cylinders, ice, and a stirring rod. So to begin, I am performing a dilution of hydrochloric acid because I had 6 molar and I needed 3 molar. So using the dilutions equation, I figured out that I needed 15 milliliters of water and 15 milliliters of 6 molar hydrochloric acid to get 30 milliliters of 3 molar hydrochloric acid. Next, I am measuring 20 milliliters of milk of magnesia. And when we are measuring, we are making sure to look eye level at the meniscus to get an accurate measurement. Milk of magnesia is magnesium hydroxide, and that is a common ingredient in antacids. Now I am pouring the 20 milliliters of milk of magnesia into the 1 liter beaker. I'm going to fill the 1 liter beaker up to 800 milliliters with water and ice. The purpose of the ice is to slow down the reaction rate, so when we see the colors later from the universal indicator, we can see the colors better because the reaction will be slowed down. So using this color chart, when we add the universal indicator, we can see that acids will be pink or red, neutral, which should be water, is green, and basic solutions will be blue or purple. So keep that in mind as we proceed. I'm now adding the universal indicator to the milk of magnesia and water solution. As you can see, it is already starting to turn purple, which indicates that milk of magnesia is basic, which makes sense because we know that milk of magnesia contains hydroxide. So now I'm stirring to get a uniform solution before I add the hydrochloric acid. So I'm going to add 2 pipettes of the 3 molar hydrochloric acid at a time and stir. And when I stir, we will start to see it immediately goes pink because hydrochloric acid is a strong acid. But if we keep stirring, we will see a full range of colors, and we will go all the way from pink to a teal color. Teal is more on the basic side, but still really close to neutral, which suggests that neutralization has occurred between the base and acid. So I'm going to repeat this process to see more neutralization occur. So the hydroxide ions from the base and the hydrogen ions from the acid are reacting to create water. And as we know, water is neutral, so it should be green, and it has a pH of 7. So this is what happens in our body when we take a basic antacid, and it neutralizes the hydrochloric acid in our stomach, and that creates the relief from the heartburn or indigestion. So as we can see, it's that green color, which is neutral at a pH of 7, and neutralization has occurred.